it's Maggie
and Vanessa,
and welcome to our channel.
Today we are going to be doing a
Daiso slime.
Or Daiso, we don't really know.
Yeah.
So,
we're going to get straight to it.
So, what do you have going there?
So, we're making borax solution right now.
Which is also called the activator.
Okay, so we're going to open our glue all. And we're going to pour about 8 ounces in. Almost there. There.
Okay. That much. There we go. Now we have the glue in the bowl.
So, yeah.
Hold on.
So we're putting a little bit of shaving cream in. That's probably good.
Just because, why not? Squirt of lotion. Measurements from Maggie. Oh, that was 2
squirts. So we're going to mix this in so far. So we're going to add a bit of the activator.
And it's starting to do its thing.
Yeah. So we're going to meet you back when it's all mixed in.
So guys, it's now coming together, sorta.
Yeah. So yeah, it's coming together as you can see.
So guys, now it's actually coming together. Maggie's
getting down and dirty with it.
Yep.
So yeah.
Chua. Usually when your slime stops sticking to the sides, it's ready to be mixed with your hands.
Yeah.
And it's ready to come together. Okay, so she used glue-all glue, which is a lot thicker, so that's why it's so thick, but
yeah.
If you use school glue, then it won't
be as thick.
Yeah. The last bit of activator. Okay, so the slime is all together now, and we're going to go put the dishes away. So now we are opening up the Daiso clay. And by the way, you guys cannot get this in stores if you live in America, but you can if you live in like Japan. Australia, Japan, that area. Just so you know. If you live in America, you can get it on Amazon.
So it's really soft.
Whoa, that's weird. So that is the end product. So bye guys.
See you next time.